something, let's call it spade a spade. Let's call it a spade. I'm an African. Nigerian to be precise. Mogbo, what they call me, Baba me call me Kotoku. Let me tell you something. You don't say an elderly man and you pick up your phone and started recording. Forget about APC, forget about PDP, forget about the Party. You don't need it. We more America. So you can just pick up your phone and start recording anyhow. You can't record someone without his consent, without permission. You don't need it. I think I'm a yellow one brain. We don't need it. Should I be the IT bank now? Because Aregbesola and Jẹun lọ́wọ́ sìn ní hotel to lodge sí. Oh wow, the bro lodge breakfast. You take your phone and started recording without his permission. It's wrong. I don't know him. He's not my father. He's not my relative. But I just need to come out and clear this. It's totally wrong. Binu. Also, you are in Nigeria, you are in America. Then when you are in America, say you can just pick up your phone and.
I'm having a good time here. Hello. Is it Aregbesola? I just said hello and he left. You look like, are you Aregbesola? Pardon?
Who are you?
Who am I? I'm a Nigerian.
What do you want?
I don't want anything. I saw you. I think I recognize you. Aregbesola. Thank you. No. Your Excellency, I have to. No, you can't touch. You can't touch this. America. You can't touch this.
You can't record me.
But you can't touch me.
I have the right to my privacy.
So you have to tell me this is America. This is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria. You can't. No, this is not Nigeria. You can't just take my phone. This is America.
I have the right to my privacy.
So you just tell me that. This is America. This is a free country. Do you understand?
This
is a free country. I can do what I like in America.
You cannot.
I can do what I want in America.
I cannot record you without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that if I want to record Biden. Biden can't tell me that.
Come again.
This is America. If I want to, even Biden, this is a free country. This is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria. You are alive. Don't touch me. If you touch me, I will sue you. I'm an American. Don't touch me. You can't touch me. This is America. If you touch me, I will sue you. So leave me alone. This is a free country.
No, you cannot record.
This is a free country. This is not Nigeria.
Why are you recording me?
Your life. This is not Nigeria.
You cannot record me without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that.
You cannot record without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that.
I have the right to my privacy.
This is America. This is America. Biden can't tell me that. This is America. Biden can't tell me that. You are not in Nigeria. This is America. Biden can't tell me I cannot record it.
You cannot record without my authority.
You are in America. You are in America. You are not in Nigeria. You are in America.
This man is sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. You are in America.
He's recording without my authority. He's recording without my authority. You cannot.
This is America. This is not Nigeria.
This is not
Sorry. What do you mean I don't have the right?
Not working.
I don't want you see. I'm good. This is America. Yeah, I can't record you. This is a free country. This is not Nigeria. I think she take the match. This is America.